Hello YouTube. I am in the process of a home renovation. I was looking for the right countertop for my kitchen for a while. So there is one type of hard marble called Shadow Storm, which is the first one you see here. That's been really popular. However, I don't see any too many reviews online. That's why I want to shoot a video today to show you guys how durable are these different kind of stones, and if they are easy to get scratched or easy to get stained. So here, the first countertop you see is Shadow Storm. The second one is a Fantasy Brown. All these two are actually hard marbles. Some places they might call it, dolomite, but or some people will even say they are granite because they behave like granite, but they are still marbles. This one is a grade B granite. It's also a lighter color that I like. As you can see, it's not polished. It's in the leather texture. All right, and the last little piece is the regular granite. I got all these samples from my contractors. He has a granite shop. So I am planning to use a variety of different kind of sauces to test them out. As you can see, I got a ketchup here, I got a vinegar, I got a lighter soy sauce, and a dark soy sauce. I use these sauces a lot, so and I'm not the cleanest person in the world. I don't want to take the risk of staining my brand new granite. That's why I want to do the experiment. So hang on here, and I will put them on these rocks and see how they behave. I'll be back. So I have put all these sauces on the rocks. The first one is ketchup, and the second one is Chinese vinegar. It's darker color, so it's easy for us to see. And the third one, this is light soy sauce, and this is the dark soy sauce. We'll check back in a few hours and see how it lasts. About half hour has passed. As you can see, this older piece of granite definitely already start to soak. So the few pieces of sauces actually start, merging with each other. That's not a very good sign. This lettered texture one, yeah, it starts to soak a little bit as well. If you can see the edge of that patch of vinegar right there, you already see it's going into the rock. And this is the Fantasy Brown. It's so far behaving very well. I don't see an obvious soak yet. We'll keep an eye on this. For the Shadow Storm, unfortunately, the vinegar and the dark soy sauce, they went to each other. So I have to put in a separate drop of vinegar right here. This is a new drop of vinegar that I put there maybe 15 minutes ago. What up, guys? It's been over 24 hours since I leave these sauces on the rocks, and let's take a closer look at how it goes. Apparently on this older piece of granite, they start to merge into each other and start to flow. So I don't think it's a really good sign. Part of the causes is probably lack of seal on this piece of rock. For the lettered surfaced stone, this is a granite as well. You can clearly see that especially the ketchup has merged, soaked a little bit into the rock. On this piece of Fantasy Brown, The most obvious one is probably still gonna be the ketchup and the vinegar. I would say I can see a little bit of the vinegar soaked it there. Now last is the piece of Shadow Storm. Although these two are marble, but I would say it hold up pretty well. Well, now I will try to remove all these from the rock with a simple paper towel and water, and probably method all-purpose surface cleaner. Let's see if I can get the stain off the rock. I'll come back. Well, I guess the result is very obvious here. Other than the polished granite, all other three kind of rocks will get soaked into and will get a stain. So if you choose any one of those three, you do need to take care of your countertop and wipe them down every day after cooking. You see how easy it is to scratch? Let's look at the Fantasy Brown. Yeah, you can definitely tell that these are kind of a marble because it's very, very easy to damage the rock. But when it comes to a piece of granite, it's for sure a lot harder. You can see you're trying to damage this piece of lettered surface granite, but it's already way harder than the marble. And if you come to a polished surface granite, it's very hard. See, I am even using a much bigger pressure, but I can't get into this rock. It will hold up much better against the scratches. There is no doubt that Fantasy Brown and Shadow Storm are beautiful stone. Although some people call them hard marble or granite, through this video, we all can see that they are still marble and they will get stained and scratched easily. What surprised me is that leather finished granite will also get stained easily. So, if you want to play safe, I would definitely recommend you use quartz or polished granite. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you.